Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is an immediate steal. Make this gorgeous home yours today. It sits perfectly on the river and is shaded by a lush of fruit trees. With a large and beautiful yard space, you can invite friends and family for an overdue reunion or have your children frolic on the grounds with their imaginations. It has a couple of parking options, including a garage for a single vehicle. On the inside, there are three standard bedrooms, a complete kitchen and dining room, a living room that opens out to the balcony, overlooking the fruitfulness of Albert Town. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 18.5 million or US $120.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.